What's up? In this video, I'll show you my updated way on how to set up JavaFX and JDK in Netbeans IDE using the long-term support or the LTS version of Java and JavaFX. Let's get started. So first of all, we're going to download the JDK from Oracle. Let me show it to you. JDK download. Make sure to download the JDK from here, from Oracle, and click on this link. And the latest version of JDK is version 22, and the long-term support is JDK 21. So if you are using Linux, Mac OS, or Windows, you can download the installers here. For me, I am using Windows, and I can click on the middle one to download the exe file. And after you install the JDK, make sure to check the environment variables. And environment variables, let me show it to you. Search for environment variables in your computer, and yeah, you should open this one and click on environment variables. Find the system variables here, the Java home, and mine is JDK 21. All right, and click on OK or cancel. So let's create a new project using Netbeans IDE, and I'm going to create a JavaFX Maven project. So I'm going to select Java with Maven and scroll down a little bit and select the fxml file, the fxml JavaFX Maven archetype. All right, and click on next. Name your project simple project, and change the JavaFX version to 21.0.3 because that's the latest version of JavaFX, the latest version of the LTS version. And I think I'm going to set this to 8 because this is the latest version of JavaFX Maven plugin version. And click on finish. All right, and it's done creating the project, and I can check the source packages here. This one is the module info Java, and these are the classes, Java classes, and the main class, the controller, secondary controller, because we have two fxml files here, the primary and the secondary. All right, and let's open the main class. This is the code, and we can run the program right now. So it's running, and there you are. This is the window. I'm going to switch to secondary view, primary view. All right, and if you are wondering how to create a executable jar file using this build, you can simply click the clean and build project. But the problem here is that if you are going to run the build jar file, wait, let me open in system and go to target. If you are going to run this, it will not run because something is missing or the dependencies are not included in the jar file, in the package. So let me show it to you. Let me rename to app and open in terminal and run this jar file, jar app.jar, no main manifest attribute in app jar. So my solution for this is using the Maven shaded plugin. So let me show it to you. Maven shaded plugin, or Maven shade plugin. It's not shaded. All right, and the developers are from Apache. And you can learn more from this page to set up the plugin. This is the usage. You can add this to your POM XML, file, and paste this code right here to your POM. And let me minimize this. And I'm going to copy the code from my previous version or previous project. Let me open this. I'm going to copy this and close that. Go to my latest project, this one, and add the copied code from my previous to here under plugins and paste. Let me go back to my main app, my main class, and copy the package name and paste it here and replace it to or add the main class here, the class name. All right, and let's try to clean and build again to see if it works. All right, and let me open the folder. And all right, as you can see that we have two jar files here. This one doesn't have dependencies inside, and this one is with dependencies. So if I'm going to run this with my PowerShell, let me rename this to app. And if I'm going to run this, Java jar app jar, it will show an error. JavaFX runtime components are missing and are required to run this application. So my solution for this one is to create another main class to our source packages and go to this one, create a new Java main class. Let's leave it as default and add a code here. Let me call the old main class and main and argument. All right, and let me go back to the POM XML file and change this to our new main without the extension, without one. All right, and let me clean and build again the project. All right, and open the folders again. All right, so rename this to app to make it short. Open in terminal and Java jar app.jar. It should work now. Let's wait for a while. Okay, it works. All right, so you can also double click this one. This is now executable. See? And that's it. That's how you set up JavaFX and JDK and Netbeans with a jar file, executable jar file. That's it. I hope you like and subscribe to my video, and I'll see you in the next one.